welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ryan the Collector Kid, and been doing a bit of a cleanup in the shed today during lockdown, so I hope you are safe and well. Yeah, today we'll actually be looking at unboxing some really cool Doctor Who stuff which I got off eBay a couple of weeks ago. I think I had something planned as well, but oh, what's that sound? Better go and check it out. I'll be right back. Outside. These. Oh dear. Yep. I'll get you slushy later. Yep. Yes. Ice cream with Twix. I remember. Yep. Know what was going on there. Anyways, so I've got some two packages to open, which is pretty cool. So let's probably start with the small one, and then we'll get on to the big one. So pop that down for a moment. Okay. Now I think I remember what this is, but again, I've been doing a lot of ordering lately, so let's crack on and we'll have a look. Alright, here we go. So, just going to open it up now. And we have a effects Dalek from the Dalek Invasion of Earth. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Not too happy with the packaging. It's actually really crumpled, which kind of defeats its resale value. But yeah, let's have a look and see if it actually works. Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So I think it's got about 4 or 5 different phrases that they've put in, and yeah, really happy with this. Actually works. Again, not too happy with the packaging, but nevertheless, these are super rare to get, and also super rare to actually have the talking button working as well. So as I mentioned before, this is the sound effects Dalek from the Daleks Invasion of Earth, 1964. Just have a look at this. Really nice. It's got the cool disc on the back there, and yeah, I love the beautiful silver and blue colors. So there you go. That's a Dalek Invasion of Earth effects Dalek. Sounds really cool. Okay. All right. So now we're on to the second one, and I hope that packaging is a bit better than this one. Let's have a look. Alright, lots of package here, so that's pretty good to see. Nice packaging as well. Happy with this one. It's so far it looks like it's been excellently packaged. All right. think I remember what this one is, but let's do a drum roll. We have the Monsters Collector Set, which comprises of the Zygon, the Cyberman from the Invasion 1968, and the Ice Warrior. Now I've got some of these already loose. I've got a loose Zygon, and I did have an Ice Warrior loose as well. But yeah, I sold that one, but I've still got one in the packet. I don't have a Cyberman the Invasion, which is why I was really keen on wanting to get this set. So yeah, pretty amazing. Even the box artwork on the back here just shows very clear what you're getting in the box, and yeah, just really happy with it. Look at the way that this Cyberman shines. Really cool. So that's the Monsters Collectors Figure Set 3-pack. I believe these are quite rare and hard to get. So yeah, really happy to be able to get this added into my collection. There is a bit of tearing to the package and things like that, but obviously it's still mint sealed in the box. So that concludes today's episode of The Collector Kid, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you have liked what you've seen, please give a like, and please subscribe to be up to date with more content coming out very soon. And yeah, have a great week and stay safe. Bye.